Hello, in this quick video I'll show you how to convert a file like Word or Excel into an image file. It's a bit like printing to a PDF, but it can be easily done within the program. On our document ribbon we've got an easy convert to image button. So if I select this Word document, for instance, I have the options to convert this to a TIFF or a PDF. I can either have it in full colour or in black and white, and I've got the option to select the resolution. You can convert the original document, you can save it as an attachment to this document, or you can save it as a new document in your in tray. So we're going to go back to list view just so you can see what happens. I'm going to select convert. And now you can see I've got two documents. I've got the original Word version and I have a new PDF. So this is particularly useful if you want to send information or share information in a document which you don't want to be edited, like a quote or a contract. It's also great for documents that require annotations or electronic signatures, which can also be done in FileStream, and I've gone into those in a different video.